steps back. Squeeze in.
Let's compress.
It's like a fun self-story. From the bottom of our hearts, congratulations on advancing to the next stage of the competition. We look forward to seeing your continued growth and your journey as you prepare for the road ahead. To the judges, to the members of the media, to the partners, to guests, to friends, family, everybody who has come here to support your favorite, thank you so much. Thank you for your continued support, of course, of Century Tuna Superbods era, and thank you again for being such an amazing, fun audience. This may be the end of today's callback, but it is only the beginning of an even greater journey, and I am honored to be with you guys all this afternoon. My name is Montero, and I'm